Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect time in your NoiseWatch. First, download the Noise Fit app to your smartphone. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. It's also a good idea to charge your NoiseWatch to at least 50% before starting. Keep your watch and phone within a few feet of each other for a smooth connection process. Once the app is installed, open it and either sign in or create a new account. Look for the Add Device option, usually found on the home screen or in Settings. Select your specific NoiseWatch model from the list. A pairing request will appear on your watch. Simply tap to confirm. Grant any requested permissions for the best experience. After successful pairing, your NoiseWatch's time will automatically synchronize with your smartphone's time. For accurate data syncing, ensure your phone has a stable internet connection. You can then view all your activity data, like steps and heart rate, on the app's dashboard. If data doesn't appear immediately, try refreshing the app manually. If you encounter any connection problems, a simple restart of both your NoiseWatch and smartphone often resolves them. You might also try clearing the Noise Fit app's cache and data from your phone settings. If issues continue, unpair the watch from your phone's Bluetooth settings and the app, then repair it. Always ensure your Noise Fit app is updated to its newest version.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.